Pen injector assembly line turnkey solutions. Loading and unloading area. Unload finished products. Load semi-finished products into corresponding stations. Height inspection. Automatically screen and reject defective semi-finished products. Inspection and testing. Pre-rotate the pen cap and inspect the position of the plunger and rubber stopper. Assembly pressing. Precisely screw the pen body, assemble the pen body, drug reservoir, and cartridge together. Press fit assembly, and detect the pressing force of the pen body and drug reservoir. Pen cap assembly. Final check and sorting. Automatically sort and reject defective products. Label qualified products. Inspect labeling quality and reject any products with labeling defects. Unloading area.